Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit door lock. Before starting, gather your tools, including a plastic pry tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and Torx bits, specifically a T20 or T30. Always ensure your van is parked on a flat surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. It is also a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to avoid any electrical mishaps during the process. The first major step is to remove the interior door panel. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces around the window switch and door handle using your plastic pry tool. Next, locate and remove all screws, which can vary in number but are typically around 7 to 9, often hidden under covers or in recesses. Once all screws are out, gently pull the panel away from the door frame to release the plastic clips. Finally, disconnect any electrical connectors for power windows or locks, and detach the door handle cable. With the door panel removed, you will now have access to the inner workings of the door. Carefully peel back the plastic water shield or dust cover to expose the lock mechanism. Look for the lock cylinder and its retaining clip or locking pin. Insert your key into the lock cylinder from the outside and turn it to the unlocked position. While holding the key in this position, use a small flat blade screwdriver to press the internal locking pin through the access hole, which helps release the cylinder. Once the locking pin is disengaged, you can carefully pull the entire lock cylinder outward from the door. Take a moment to inspect the old lock for any damage or wear that might have caused issues. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring the new lock cylinder aligns correctly and the retaining clip or pin engages securely. Reconnect all electrical components and the door handle cable. Finally, test the new lock and all door functions, including power windows, before fully reattaching the door panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.